Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account, then open Google Finance to start building context. Once signed in, enable notifications and location so market hours and alerts are accurate. Next, create a watch list and add 3 to 10 tickers right away. This gives immediate data to interact with. Make sure to select markets and currency preferences. This matters if you follow dollar or foreign listings. By starting with a focus list, you'll learn controls quickly and avoid overwhelming data when you proceed. You now dive into the chart and analysis tools. Click any ticker to open its detailed page. Once there, switch timeframes, 1D through 5Y, to see short versus long trends, and add overlays like moving averages to interpret momentum. Use the compare function to add indices or peer stocks. You'll understand relative performance faster. Make sure to read the news, earnings, and financials panels alongside price action, because contextual events explain sudden moves and help you decide whether to act. You finish by building a portfolio. Enter buy and sell transactions with quantities and prices so performance and unrealized gains calculate automatically. Once done, set price and news alerts and sync with the Google app on your phone to receive push notifications in real time. Make sure to export or copy your list if you need a backup. If something goes wrong, try clearing the browser cache or re-signing into Google. This resolves most sync issues without losing your watch list or portfolio entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.